building an application in addition to the model underlying it?
Yeah. So it actually happened in a pretty simple way, which is we had our own, we had our coding models, which were good at coding. And around the beginning of 2025, I said, I think the time has come where you can have non-trivial acceleration of your own research if you're an AI company by using these models. And of course, you need an interface, you need a harness to use them. And so I encourage people internally, I didn't say this is one thing that you have to use. I just said people should experiment with this. And then, this thing, I think it might have been originally called Claude CLI, and then the name eventually got changed to Claude Code internally, was the thing that kind of everyone was using, and it was seeing fast internal adoption. And I looked at it and I said, probably we should launch this externally, right? It's seen such fast adoption within Anthropic, coding is a lot of what we do, and so we have a audience of many hundreds of people that's in some ways at least representative of the external audience. So it looks like we already have product market fit. Let's launch this thing, and then we launched it, and I think just the fact that we ourselves are kind of developing the model and we ourselves know what we most need to use the model, I think it's kind of creating this feedback